can do today. Dear friends, today we start a new session that is tenses. Don't be tensed. We start with simple thing that is simple present tense. When we use simple present, yes, for the actions in the present. Let's see the rules one by one. Do you know the most important rule of simple present? What is it? Yes, if the subject is singular, we need to add s or es except I and you. We consider I and you as plural in simple present. Here are some examples. She does homework. He plays. It works well. Here we added s with the verb because the subjects are singular. She, he, it all are singular subjects. Next, let's see how simple present will come in plural subjects. Whether we need to add s or es. No, isn't it? Let's see some examples. We do the homework. I run. You swim. They walk. Here we didn't add s with the verb because the subjects are plural. We, I, you, they all are plural subjects. Next, other rules relating to simple present, that is where we use simple present. First, to state truths or facts. Example, the sun rises in the east, birds fly. It's a fact. Facts never going to change, right? Next, to show habits or routines. If we do something regularly, we use simple present. Example, I study every day. Here, we use this simple present to show our habit. Next, to express emotions, we use simple present. Example, Jo loves her sister. Here, it's Jo's emotion towards her sister. So, we have to use simple present. Next, in permanent situations also, we use simple present. Example, they live in UK. He speaks English. To speak about permanent situations, we use simple present. Next, let's do one exercise. From morning onwards, what we are doing, that we can just try to tell in simple present. Are you ready? Okay. First, my mother calls me. I wake up. I pray to God. It's very important. Don't skip it. I brush my teeth. I take bath. I eat breakfast. It's also very essential. Next, I go to school. My friend speaks with me. My teacher teaches me. We attend the class. I return back to home. I drink tea. I play. I do my homework. I eat dinner. I go to bed. I sleep. Next, word of the day. Jealous. Meaning is envious.